Today, I'll show you how to mark a task completed in Basecamp project. Whether you're a project manager or part of a team using Basecamp, knowing how to efficiently manage your tasks is crucial. This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to mark a task as completed, ensuring that your project stays on track and everyone is informed of the progress. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is open your browser and head over to Basecamp's website by typing in basecamp.com in the address bar. Basecamp is a popular project management tool that helps teams stay organized and communicate effectively. It's widely used for its user-friendly interface and robust features, so if you're new to it, you're in for a treat. Once you're on the Basecamp homepage, you'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you have your username and password handy. Now, after you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard where all your projects are listed. This is your central hub for managing everything. Next up, look for the project you want to work on. Basecamp organizes your projects in a straightforward manner, so it should be quite easy to find the one you're looking for. Click on the specific project name. This action will take you to the project's dedicated page, which contains all the elements related to that particular project. Now that you're in the project page, you'll want to focus on the task lists, which Basecamp refers to as to-dos. These are essentially your checklists for the project. Click on the to-dos tab. This section is where you can see all the tasks that need to be completed, along with those that have already been finished. It's a neat way to visualize the workflow and understand what's pending and what's been done. In this to-dos section, scan through the list to find the task you've completed or want to mark as completed. Once you've located the specific task, you'll notice a checkbox next to it. This checkbox is your tool for marking tasks as completed. Simply click on the checkbox, and Basecamp will automatically recognize that the task is now finished. When you check the box, the task will be visually marked as completed. This not only updates the status of the task, but also keeps everyone on your team informed about its completion. It's a small action that makes a big impact on team collaboration and project transparency. And there you have it. You've successfully marked a task as completed in Basecamp. Remember, keeping your task list updated is essential for effective project management. It helps to maintain clarity and ensures that everyone is on the same page. Feel free to explore other features within Basecamp to further enhance your productivity. If you have any questions or need more guidance, don't hesitate to check out Basecamp's support resources. They're packed with helpful information and tips that can make your experience even smoother. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more useful tutorials. Happy project managing, and see you next time.